Hi, my name's Ian Lawrence. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm currently a senior in industrial engineering at NC State, and I'm looking at getting into business consultation upon graduation. The most exciting thing about this project is applying what the TapRooT software has taught us and then using it on real-world examples.
Yeah, I'm Hannahbauer. I'm a senior here in the ISC department at NC State, and I'm super passionate about bridging the gap between people and technology. So upon graduation, I will be working as a technology analyst at Deloitte. I'm excited to get a deeper understanding of root cause analysis using the TapRooT software.
I'm Jackson Law. I'm a senior in the ISC department at NC State. After graduation, I plan to pursue a career in facility layouts and project management and using concepts of Lean Six Sigma in order to increase throughput. It's been really interesting learning the new software and getting accustomed to the layouts and how it's applicable for different situations, when to use events, when to use conditions, and focusing on that incident.
I'm Connor Simpson. I'm a senior in industrial engineering and economics at NC State. I enjoy learning about economics and Lean Six Sigma here, and after I graduate, I'm hoping to get a job involving one of those. I'm excited about this TapRooT project because it lets me learn more about failure analysis and why something happens and how to prevent it.
Hi, my name is Miriam Larussi. I'm a senior here in industrial engineering, and I'm really interested in using my engineering skills in the workforce to keep others safe in the field. I'm really excited to be able to learn and work on developing a new technical skill that I can apply to keeping people safe. I have really liked using the TapRooT software because the interface is super clean and it's been really easy to use.